Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI NOVA Y61, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this HUAWEI. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. After that, click on this switcher next to Automatic feature. And now Auto Brightness is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same, no blue one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!